Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, July 17th here at the Longhorn Classic, and we're getting ready to let the birds out for open loft. Just wanted to quickly show you how Mike mowed the property over the weekend. So we used to have all that dried clover. It was really tall, very stalky, but yeah, we've got almost 4 acres here, and we got the whole thing mowed. You can see them all inside. They're really excited in the morning when they know it's time to go out. Look at them, they're all running down this direction. So yeah, we're gonna be opening up the chute here. It takes a while for 1,100 birds to come out through this chute. Alright, they're almost all out. So now, what we do is we sit out here anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, depending on what time of the day they get out, and watch for hawks.
Alright, we just finished feeding the birds. We're going to go in here and catch a couple birds, show you the wing, the 9th and the 10th growing back in, and the tail. And then you can see where the birds are coming along. We've fed them already. We've opened up to where they can go back out on the landing board, so as you can see it doesn't look as crowded in here. But let's just catch a bird, hopefully catch one bird easily. Okay, so you see the 9th and 10th growing back in. Right there and right there. You can see the tail. That's growing back in. This bird looks good. This is JLY, number 25.
Let me see him.
Nice little bird. There's another one here. Okay, so here we go again, 9th and 10th, about halfway in. This one's in the wrong spot. There you go, 9th and 10th. Tail, about halfway in also. Nice bird. This is PigeonMart 118.
Whew.
Nice looking bird. Go in here, we'll catch one more. Okay, again, the 9th and 10th. Both wings. Okay, there we go, fix that. Tail's halfway in. This bird is BSC. What is that, 1033? Another nice looking bird. But there we go. That's what. So pretty much the 9th and 10th is about halfway in. Tail's halfway in. This next week, all we're going to do is just more open loft. They get the whole field now to look at and peck around. Get scared up, fly all the way back to the loft, and fly back out. Do it again. So we got another week of that. And then we'll see about start scaring the birds up a little bit and make them fly a little bit.
It's tradition here when we're usually showing the flights growing back in to catch one last bird and give away a t-shirt. So let's go ahead and do one last bird.
Here's the well, no. There's the 9th and 10th.
9th and 10th.
9th and 10th there.
9th and 10th there. Nice tail.
Tail's halfway in. We have GS 495.
GS 495 winner.
Winner.
Chicken dinner.
Yep.
Pigeon
just won a t-shirt.
Woohoo!
All right.
Alrighty, signing off from the Longhorn Classic.